Welcome back, and now to business news. The National Assembly has passed the Sugar Bill 2019, paving the way for reforms to be carried out. Among others, the bill proposes to create the Sugar Board that will oversee operations in the subsector, including setting modalities that will guide payment of farmers for cane deliveries.
The sugar subsector is set to undergo major reforms after the National Assembly adopted the Departmental Committee on Agriculture's report on the Sugar Bill 2019. The bill, which is now awaiting to be assented into law, proposes a repeal of the Crop Act 2013 to create the Sugar Board that will be tasked with regulating the sector's value chain.
I propose a question, which is that the Sugar Bill, National Assembly Bill number 68 of 2019, be now read a third time. I put the question, which is that the Sugar Bill, National Assembly Bill number 68 of 2019, be now read a third time. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Many as of a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
The board will also oversee the importation of the sweetener, with importers and millers required to report on their current stocks on a daily basis. Investors willing to operate a sugar factory or a jaggery must be licensed by the board. Sugarcane levy will be reintroduced, and cash from the kitty will fund the operations of the board. To protect sugarcane farmers from unscrupulous millers, a price committee will be set up and will determine the pricing formula of cane deliveries. Payment for cane deliveries will be reached between the cane farmers and their respective millers, with sugar companies forced to compensate farmers for any delayed payments. This is the latest attempt yet by the government to institute reforms in the ailing sector. Recent plans to institute reforms, including privatization of the state-owned millers, have run into headwinds after the court halted the process. Benson Drioba reporting for Prime Edition.